a child, when Jamaica got its independence, we had to learn the pledge. For those of you who are not Jamaicans, and those of you who are Jamaicans, but may have forgotten it, I'm going to repeat it. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may under God increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race.